Did you know that people lose about 1% of their skin collagen every year, leading to wrinkles and premature aging? But instead of chasing expensive collagen supplements from strange animal sources, there are natural foods that can boost your skin's collagen and keep you looking youthful. How many times have you eaten kale, broccoli, or soy without realizing their powerful effects on your skin's health? In this video, we will explore 5 natural foods backed by scientific studies that help restore collagen and slow down skin aging. I'll also share important facts and clear up common myths about these foods and how to safely include them in your diet. If you're new here, welcome to our healthy skin community. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss our latest health tips. Let us know in the comments which of these foods you already eat regularly or want to try. All right, let's get started. Food number 1, kale, the green powerhouse for collagen boosting. When it comes to natural skin rejuvenation, kale stands out as a nutritional superstar. Known as col rosada in Spanish, kale is packed with carotenoids, powerful antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, that play a critical role in protecting your skin from damage and stimulating collagen production. Scientific studies, including a well-designed, placebo-controlled trial published in the Nutrients Journal, have demonstrated that regular consumption of kale can significantly increase skin collagen and elastin levels. Elastin is the protein that gives your skin its bounce and flexibility, so boosting both collagen and elastin helps your skin look firmer and younger. These carotenoids work by neutralizing harmful free radicals generated by sun exposure and environmental toxins, 2 of the biggest enemies of collagen in your skin. By protecting your skin cells from oxidative stress, kale helps slow down the breakdown of collagen, preserving your skin's youthful structure. In addition to carotenoids, kale contains vitamin C, which acts as a cofactor for collagen synthesis enzymes, and vitamin K, which supports skin healing and reduces dark circles. In my experience working with women over 50, incorporating kale into their daily diet has shown remarkable results. One client, a 62-year-old woman named Susan, told me she started adding fresh kale smoothies and sautéed kale to her meals 3 times a week. After just 3 months, she noticed her skin was more hydrated and the fine lines around her eyes appeared less pronounced. To get the best benefits, aim to eat kale at least 3 to 4 times per week. You can enjoy it raw in salads, blended into green smoothies, or lightly sautéed with olive oil and garlic as a nutrient-packed side dish. Just a quick note. When cooking kale, avoid overcooking to preserve its antioxidants. Steaming or sautéing briefly is ideal. By embracing kale as a delicious and easy addition to your diet, you're taking a powerful step towards restoring your skin's collagen naturally, without expensive creams or supplements. Food number 2, broccoli, the sulforaphane shield for your skin. Broccoli isn't just a nutritious vegetable. It's a powerful ally in the fight against skin aging. One of its star compounds, sulforaphane, has been extensively studied for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that directly benefit skin health. Research published in the Journal of Dermatological Science highlights sulforaphane's remarkable ability to stimulate the body's natural antioxidant enzymes, such as glutathione S-transferase. This activation helps reduce oxidative stress, a major factor in collagen breakdown. Oxidative stress is caused by free radicals generated from sun exposure, pollution, and other environmental stressors, and it accelerates skin aging by damaging collagen and elastin fibers. By neutralizing these free radicals, sulforaphane supports collagen homeostasis, which means it helps maintain balanced collagen levels in the skin, preventing premature deterioration that leads to wrinkles, sagging, and dullness. Moreover, sulforaphane has been shown to suppress melanogenesis, the biological process responsible for producing excess melanin. This is significant because overproduction of melanin causes dark spots, age spots, and uneven skin tone, all common complaints as we age. This dual action makes broccoli a natural food, not only for collagen support, but also for achieving a brighter, more youthful complexion. I recall working with a client named Linda, a vibrant woman in her late 50s who was struggling with dry, rough skin and uneven tone. After incorporating steamed broccoli into her diet 3 times a week, she noticed visible improvements in her skin's texture and brightness within 6 months. A dermatologist confirmed increased skin hydration and improved elasticity, a testament to the powerful role nutrition plays in skin health. To maximize sulforaphane intake, preparation matters. Light steaming or consuming broccoli raw preserves sulforaphane's beneficial effects, while boiling or overcooking can destroy this delicate compound. Adding broccoli to salads, stir-fries, or even smoothies can make it an easy, enjoyable part of your regular diet. Now that we've explored kale and broccoli, 2 potent vegetables rich in antioxidants and collagen-supporting compounds, let's move on to a plant-based protein that has both sparked controversy and proven benefits in skin health: soy. Food number 3. Soy, the plant-based phytoestrogen for youthful skin. Soy has long been celebrated in many cultures for its health benefits, but it remains misunderstood in the West, especially regarding its impact on women's hormones and skin. Soy contains compounds called isoflavones, which are natural plant-based phytoestrogens, meaning they mimic estrogen in the body, but with much milder effects. This feature makes soy especially valuable for postmenopausal women who experience a natural drop in estrogen that contributes to thinning skin, loss of elasticity, and increased wrinkles. Research published in the journal Clinics studied the effects of soy isoflavones on postmenopausal women and found significant improvements in skin thickness, collagen content, and elasticity after regular consumption. One key point I always stress with clients is the myth linking soy to breast cancer risk. Modern scientific consensus has largely debunked this misconception. Isoflavones actually bind to estrogen receptors and may block the more potent natural estrogens that stimulate tumor growth. Of course, women with a history of hormone-sensitive cancers should consult their healthcare provider, but for most, soy is a safe and effective way to support skin health naturally. I worked with a client named Mary, a 58-year-old woman going through menopause, who was concerned about her dry, sagging skin. After incorporating tofu, soy milk, and edamame in her daily meals for 6 months, she noticed her skin felt firmer and more hydrated. Her dermatologist confirmed increased collagen density, attributing it partly to the phytoestrogens in her diet. Soy is incredibly versatile. Whether it's silken tofu blended into smoothies, grilled tempeh, or a simple soy milk latte, there are many delicious ways to enjoy it. With soy's impressive skin benefits covered, let's explore another essential nutrient for collagen production that you might already be eating but not fully appreciating: vitamin C-rich foods. Food number 4. Vitamin C-rich foods, the essential cofactor for collagen production. Vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting properties, but its role in skin health is equally vital and often overlooked. Scientifically, vitamin C acts as a crucial cofactor for the enzymes prolyl and lysyl hydroxylase, which stabilize and cross-link collagen fibers, making your skin stronger and more resilient. Clinical studies confirm that adequate intake of vitamin C enhances collagen synthesis and offers potent antioxidant protection against environmental damage that degrade collagen. Among vitamin C-rich foods, red bell peppers stand out as an exceptionally powerful source, containing more vitamin C per serving than oranges or kiwis. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that consuming red bell peppers regularly improved skin hydration and reduced wrinkles in middle-aged women. Other excellent sources include citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, as well as kiwis, strawberries, and leafy greens. To reap the full benefits, it's best to consume these foods fresh and raw when possible, as vitamin C is sensitive to heat and can degrade with cooking. For example, adding raw red pepper slices to your salads or enjoying a kiwi as a snack provides your skin with a direct boost in collagen-supporting nutrients. I've seen many clients transform their skin just by increasing their daily intake of vitamin C-rich foods. One client, Helen, in her early 60s, reported that after adding fresh bell peppers and citrus fruits to her diet, her skin felt noticeably firmer and more radiant within a few months. Vitamin C also plays a critical role in protecting skin from UV damage and promoting wound healing, making it a must-have nutrient for anyone interested in maintaining youthful skin. Now that we've covered the vitamin that kickstarts collagen production, let's turn our attention to another essential nutrient for skin health and collagen formation: vitamin B12. Food number 5. Vitamin B12, the unsung hero for collagen and skin renewal. Vitamin B12, often overlooked in discussions about skin health, plays a vital role in cellular regeneration and collagen formation. This water-soluble vitamin is essential for DNA synthesis and repair, processes fundamental to maintaining healthy, youthful skin. Scientific research published in the Journal of Vitaminology reveals that vitamin B12 deficiency can impair collagen production and slow down skin renewal, leading to dryness, irritation, and premature aging signs. There are two primary forms of vitamin B12 supplements: cyanocobalamin and methylcobalamin. While both are effective, methylcobalamin is considered the biologically active form and may be preferred for individuals with certain health conditions like kidney impairment. For optimal absorption, vitamin B12 is often taken sublingually, dissolved under the tongue, bypassing digestive challenges that many older adults face due to decreased stomach acid production. This is especially relevant for women over 50, as B12 absorption naturally declines with age. Additionally, vegetarians and vegans are at higher risk of deficiency since B12 is primarily found in animal products. One client, Diane, a 65-year-old vegetarian, experienced persistent dry and dull skin despite using topical creams. After starting a B12 supplement regimen as recommended by her nutritionist, she noticed improved skin texture and a healthy glow within months. It's important to understand that while eating animal products like meat, eggs, and dairy provide B12, absorption can still be inefficient in older adults, making supplementation a practical consideration. Incorporating B12 into your skin health routine complements the other nutrients we've discussed, ensuring your body has the full spectrum of tools it needs to support collagen synthesis and skin renewal. With these 5 scientifically backed foods, kale, broccoli, soy, vitamin C-rich produce, and vitamin B12, you can empower your skin's natural ability to regenerate and maintain a youthful appearance. Science of collagen and skin aging. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, making up about 30% of its total protein content. It acts as the primary structural component of your skin, bones, muscles, and connective tissues. In the skin, collagen fibers form a dense network that provides strength, elasticity, and hydration, qualities that keep your skin firm and youthful. However, as we age, collagen production naturally declines, starting as early as our late 20s. By the time many women reach their 50s and beyond, collagen levels can drop significantly, contributing to visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles, sagging skin, and dryness. This decline is accelerated by environmental factors like UV exposure, pollution, smoking, and poor diet, which increase oxidative stress and damage collagen fibers. Scientific studies confirm this gradual loss of collagen. Research shows that adults lose approximately 1% of skin collagen annually, which results in the disorganization of collagen fibers and decreased skin integrity. These changes reduce the skin's ability to retain moisture and bounce back, causing the classic signs of aging. Many people turn to collagen supplements, which are often derived from animal sources and marketed as miracle cures for aging skin. However, clinical evidence suggests that collagen supplements have limited effectiveness because collagen molecules are broken down into amino acids during digestion, which the body may use for other purposes. This means simply consuming collagen peptides doesn't guarantee direct collagen rebuilding in the skin. Instead, the best approach is to support your body's own collagen production by consuming foods rich in essential nutrients that promote fibroblast activity, the cells responsible for producing collagen, and protect existing collagen from damage. These nutrients include antioxidants, vitamin C and B12, and plant compounds such as carotenoids and isoflavones. By understanding how collagen works and what damages it, You can make informed dietary and lifestyle choices that actively slow down skin aging from within, promoting a healthier, more youthful complexion naturally. While including collagen-boosting foods in your diet is essential, it's equally important to adopt lifestyle habits that support skin health holistically. Hydration is foundational. Drinking enough water daily keeps your skin cells plump and helps transport nutrients efficiently. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water each day. Quality sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate skin cells overnight. Poor sleep increases cortisol, a stress hormone that breaks down collagen. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep nightly. Stress management is crucial. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels and accelerates skin aging. Practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can help reduce stress and protect your skin's collagen. Regular exercise, especially weight-bearing and resistance training, stimulates collagen production by improving blood flow and delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin. Exercise also reduces inflammation, a major contributor to collagen degradation. Avoid smoking and limit sun exposure. Tobacco toxins damage collagen fibers and reduce vitamin C levels in your skin. Ultraviolet, UV, rays accelerate collagen breakdown and cause premature aging. Always use broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Combining these lifestyle factors with a nutrient-rich diet ensures your skin has the environment and raw materials it needs to maintain elasticity, hydration, and youthful resilience. Restoring and maintaining youthful skin is not about chasing expensive creams or uncertain collagen supplements. Instead, it's about empowering your body with the right nutrients and habits to naturally support collagen production. In this video, we've uncovered 5 scientifically supported foods: kale, broccoli, soy, vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables, and vitamin B12, each playing a unique role in promoting collagen health and skin rejuvenation. These natural foods provide powerful antioxidants, phytoestrogens, and essential vitamins that protect your skin from damage, stimulate collagen synthesis, and improve skin elasticity and hydration. Remember, achieving lasting skin health is a journey. Consistently incorporating these foods into your meals, combined with hydration, quality sleep, stress management, and sun protection, will help slow down the visible signs of aging. For women over 50, taking charge of your skin health means embracing a holistic approach that nourishes your body from within and supports your skin's natural ability to renew itself. Start today. Choose these nutrient-rich foods, prioritize self-care, and watch your skin transform into a radiant, youthful reflection of your inner health. Your journey to beautiful, resilient skin begins now.